It was a passion of mine. I've been doing woodworking since I was in 7th grade. I actually, one of my first cool projects that I ever built was a cedar hope chest for my grandmother back in 7th grade. So basically we have a design team that we design the products, as well as once they're designed, we have R&D, research and development. Is it going to work? Is it going to cut out right? Things like that. Once we do the research and development, then we put it in production. And once it goes in production, it's they crank the parts out.
So I started working with Randy when he came through. Actually, it was just a random call that we had here. So I had called him, asked him if he needed any financing. He actually said that yes, he's looking at getting a certain program with us, and so he looked to get a CNC and then also an engraver as well.
Just love the quick response of everything. I mean, you have to have a personal relationship with everyone that you're working with. Whenever we show up with our marketing trailer, they don't know the things that we do. They're like, well, I didn't know you did this, or I didn't know you could cut that. So those are the types of things why we enjoy doing the marketing trailer.
We kind of came to him as far as offering financing, and he was excited to continue working with us. After I had the conversation, after we finally got the deal done, he realized that it was an incredibly easy process to actually go through financing, which was something that he didn't have that experience before. So to be able to move with us and move quickly, it was something that he appreciated.
Just the quickness that you all make things happen. It doesn't matter if it's you will have the vision of what we need, being in the manufacturing woodworking industry. You all know what the equipment is versus trying to explain to you what an edge bander is or a router is. You all already know what those items are, so therefore we don't have to go through the hassle of what that equipment does.